ke skor not Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai ke win ke skor wa jora 6 ra buram ya kerilom jantia ha ke result SSLC và HSSLC honi usnem le ke ni ke skor dara 6 biang go ha ke top 20 yang ke result SSLC lang ba ki lengut ki khnro khlot pure yang ka wa kan thum ya ke risa I Christine shooting ke wada yo hi kerdan wa khatwi u Mendelssohn M Langstang ha ke kerdan wa khatso wa kerilana ika sari ha ke kerdan wa arpau ki arngut wada yo uklam ha ke ni ke sngi depan sngau ki ikmen wo yo khai yo so ikre chitom wada em bentalang na do ki wasikai ki bai ki pa yong ki la heya to isnen ikro na ipure hawa emen sim ya ki witawan ki wa pure u Mendelssohn M Langstang ongu wa em kamu man ki wa kre chitom hei pure na do wasdang snem khnang yo poi chakwan gawan ka thong wadamang kani man ko chibenta iyo asngau bha wa khro tam hei im yonga wa hanga hi semen sngau o ipure kot na do wasdang to ko em kam do ni bha la do pure sendon ye ujur ingi hei bor ido ipran na boy ye uyo kjun ongri lana ika chu deban go hajrong I em kam usumar ye ide na do wo biang le ki exercise u biang ibam ne bha upure kot bele mumien u principal kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai u Richard Yuria Khanau wa kini ki lengut wadara nam ya keskur to ki wa pure na do dangkhian ha gani hi keskur weina ki khinde phau songut wa yakhun ya ka SSLC da pass khinde phau lengun kat wa ha ka HSSLC arts wan waro an ru phawi ngut ki wa yakhun pass lut ki we bon le ki wa le bha heyato oba ka result HSSLC science stream badang panbana ini wadap wan kana wa em arngut nagani ke skor ki wada do upsia hapoh ka thup top ten du da ar wa le marks don hi hagani ke sngi de yo le u yaklam wa ki bai ki pa jong ki ni ki khynnah ki wada pen sngau ikmen we sngau ya ki wasikai ke ni ke skor we ong le mto I we ya ki khynnah wa wan na ga wan ka yung upoi chakhman la bin ki tang kure chitom hejo ipor le to oman ki wasngau tho ye yi wele ne pure ne bha mentoi uyo ya kawan nga kerdan la duna wan isngau tho
con snau men bha rồi snau engo eu blai oder grab nang man na ko ikia de ye le ikra stom kami oder engo roi o grab nang po chi thong ta snau engo roi le gi be pa Wyrta ina untuk dang kena wa ina jenis ni kamon terus tong kamon kena wa emselon ino ikule ro ini mereka skor berkreas tong ini tayang ini kena ikule ro yo principal berkreas tong ha minta skor kena ro hi jenis ni kena hab le stong ai do sedang senam pero man sini tak sab open improve baisa the day kat yo TV hab improve video trangi ini ro target yo ye ha yo improve jai do yo ye ka thong yo i and the ben crash tom no do sedang senam man sini ai te yo ra ai chin
comment I'm expecting your 20th question. Like this is the most biggest gift of my life, and I really thank God because it is with His help that I am able to reach 20th position. Like I'm just an average student, and I think this is all because of God's blessings. I will not be able to do this alone. I thank my parents, teachers. They've always been by my side. They always guided me. They always encourage me from time to time. And even though if I fail, they never scold or anything. They just encourage me to do more, to work hard. And they never also force me to work that much hard until I break my brain. They always encourage me to work adequately, not too much, and to get more rest and everything. So I also want to encourage all the students below us or above us also to work hard so that they might get more than us. Not they might be more intelligent than what we are. They might get a more percentage than what we get this year. For the preparation, I've prepared since from the beginning of the school, from the beginning of the classes, because I feel like it's not good to prepare near when the exam is very near, because we'll stress and all, and will not be able to prepare well. We'll feel sick and we'll have headache. We'll feel more stress. I know preparing even from the beginning also we have stress, but it's not too much. The most important thing is we have to study from the beginning. That only will help. I don't think so. Studying before exam, the exam is by hand. It's too near, and it's not good to study that way. We should study from the beginning, and we should prepare notes and everything, like what the teachers always taught us in the classes. We should have more notes. Not always to depend on the teachers. We should do our best. We should study, but also more rest. Not always study all the time. And we have to eat properly, to exercise and all. Because mostly we find that only studying hard will not help. We should also study smartly. We should always take care of ourselves. Not always always dwell on books, always look at books and study, because it will not really help.
Wow, konsep ikbli yung sa principal yang inohikai na do na nursery na do sedang olay hado da poy kelas 10. Jadi jingyarap yung inohikai yung principal te da poy hakani da yo poy ka top 20 te na do sedang inju am pha tuition ni extra shabar na ka school. Để em bị chính chân nhẹ hào principal để te ha kinohikai waro te di jing rap yong blai te kon le một ông bị để yele stom kat kamwa guide ini yung kat kamwa TV di langwa nakai te poi ga ganiga kardan te kat tewan em jing thumui một o plai ga haini hapoh no libati plai science ga để te simile yo một school mia thì có được last year là một cái kamalingot na yo ni lại MBBS na school kasi bila the MGK NEET coaching center. I think it is the first in Jaintia to have a coaching center for NEET. The NEET down what the quite online ni Bridgeport.